Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through installing AASHTOWare bridge design and rating software quickly and easily. Let's get started. After you order a BRDR Core product, our team sends an email with your license details and the download link for the latest software version. If you don't receive it, check with your organization's shipping contact or reach out to our tech support at brdr@promiles.com. After downloading, it is recommended to create a temp folder on your local drive, such as the C drive, and move the BRDR installer there. Use the extraction password from your email to extract the file. Then right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator to start the installation. Follow the setup prompts to accept the terms and agreement, confirm or adjust the installation path, and select any additional features like database administration tools if needed. Tip: select the core product appropriate for your license type. For example, select BRR for a bridge rating license. BRDR stores bridges and other data in a database, and the installer includes Microsoft SQL Server. Select the feature BRDR Databases if you'd like sample databases and a default login, such as BridgeBridge as the username and password to connect to the software. The installer will ask you to install SQL Server if your machine does not have the required version. You must select this box if you wish to use the sample databases and default users. Click Install to begin the installation. This will install the prerequisites such as .NET, SQL Server if selected, and other services. Once done, you're ready to log in. For new users, check the Startup Guide in the Help folder for initial usernames and passwords, like bridge/bridge. To activate your license, open BRDR. Press the License button and enter the license information provided to your shipping contact. To manage your database connections, press the ellipsis or 3 dots button. Here, you can select one of the 2 sample databases or create your own. Once selected, you can enter the default username and password, such as Bridge for both the username and password, and connect to the software. And that's it. You're now ready to start using the software. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.